Thanks for joining us. We're excited to walk you through the Oklahoma Joe's Rider DLX Pellet Grill Easy Assembly. Let's get started. You'll need the following tools for today's assembly. This is a two-person job, so make sure you have some assistance. Be sure to assemble your grill on a level, protective surface to prevent damage to the unit. To maintain the finish and protect your new grill from damage, assemble this product on a blanket or soft protective pad. For ease of product removal, cut all four corners with a utility knife and allow the carton panels to lay flat as shown. Be sure to wear protective gloves while cutting the carton. You'll see there are parts packed in the cook chamber. We'll need to remove these before we begin assembly. Step 1. Some parts may contain sharp edges. Wear protective gloves when suggested. Step 2. With a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the digital control box to the pit control panel using 3 screws. Step 3. Carefully remove the heat baffle cover. Next, use an adjustable wrench to attach the caster to the leg. Carefully turn the unit onto its side with the help of a friend. Next, attach the leg with casters to the bottom half using 2 hex screws. Then attach the legs with axles on the bottom to the unit. Next, we're going to secure the bottom shelf to the unit by placing 4 hex screws through the outside of the unit and securing them with 4 nuts. Step 7. Secure the wheels by sliding a large washer onto the axle and fastening it with the retaining clip. Step 8. It's now time to reinvert the grill, but be careful. Do not use the hopper drain handle to move your grill. In the next step, we'll secure the pellet bucket bracket to the hopper using 4 screws. In step 10, we'll tightly secure the ash cup by screwing it into place. Step 11. Attach the side shelf to the unit using 2 screws and 2 small washers. In step 12, we're going to start by feeding the 4 towel hooks onto the towel bar. Make sure the opening of the hook points towards the grill. Next, we're going to secure the towel bar to the unit using 2 screws and 2 small washers. Next, we're going to secure the handle to the unit using 4 screws. It's now time to attach the 2 smokestack bases to the top of the unit using 6 screws and 6 nuts. It's important to note that the smokestack gets installed from the inside of the smoke chamber. It does not get placed on the outside of the chamber. Carefully screw on the smokestack caps. It's now time to set the grease tent inside the unit to the left side of the heat baffle. Then replace the heat baffle cover back inside the unit. Add the 2 side cooking grates and then the center cooking grate to the inside of the unit. Step 18. Now we'll attach the selector level to the heat baffle through the slot in the front of the grill. Step 19. Insert the pellet bucket into the pellet bucket bracket. All right, you have finished assembling your Rider DLX Pellet Grill. Go to oklahomajoes.com for recipe inspiration and more.